HIV symptoms in men after 1 week. Are you aware HIV can show up in men after 1 week of exposure? That's right. In this video, I'm going to let you know the 10 potential symptoms of HIV in men after just 1 week. It is important to stay informed and aware of the symptoms so that early detection and treatment can be achieved. Early detection and treatment of HIV is crucial in managing the virus and preventing further damage to your immune system. Now, let's dive into today's topic. Number 1 symptom of HIV in men is fever and flu-like symptoms. This is because HIV attacks the immune system, thereby making it harder for the body to fight infections. Common flu-like symptoms include chills, fever, and body aches. If you experience these symptoms after 1 week of exposure to HIV, it's important for you to seek for medical attention. Another number 2 symptom is fatigue and weakness. HIV can cause fatigue and weakness. This is because the virus attacks the energy level of the body. So seek for medical attention if you think you've been exposed. Number 3 symptom is skin rash. HIV can affect the skin, causing a variety of rashes. These rashes can be itchy and painful and may appear as red bumps, blisters, or sores. If you develop a skin rash after 1 week of potential exposure to HIV, seek for medical attention for proper diagnosis and treatment. Number 4 symptom is sore throat, swollen lymph nodes, or swollen glands. If you experience this after 1 week of exposure, please seek for medical attention. Another symptom is headaches. HIV affects the brain and nervous system, causing persistent headache. So if you experience persistent headache after 1 week of potential exposure of HIV, please seek for medical attention. Nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea is another symptom of HIV in men. HIV can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and nausea because HIV also affects the gastrointestinal system, causing these symptoms. So if you experience nausea, vomiting, diarrhea after 1 week of exposure, seek for medical attention. HIV also causes muscle and joint pain in men. HIV causes night sweat, excessive night sweats. HIV affects the body temperature regulation, causing night sweats. If you experience night sweats after 1 week of potential exposure to HIV, it is important for you to seek for medical attention. HIV also causes weight loss in men. HIV also causes dry cough. HIV affects the respiratory system, causing a dry cough. So if you experience a persistent dry cough after 1 week of potential exposure to HIV, it is important for you to seek for medical attention. If you think you've been exposed to HIV, it's important to get tested as soon as possible. The timing of the tests will depend on the type of test you're taking. If you're taking HIV antibody test, it is important to wait for 2 to 8 weeks after exposure before getting tested. This is because it will take some time for your body to produce enough antibody for the test to detect. However, if you are taking HIV antigen test or HIV RNA test, you can get tested as early as 9 to 11 days after exposure. The test detects the virus itself rather than the antibodies produced by the body. It is important to know that if you test negative during the window period, you should get tested after 3 months. It is also important to talk to your healthcare provider about the risk factors and how often you should get tested. Regular testing can help detect the virus early and to ensure proper treatment and management. Remember, early detection and treatment is crucial in managing the virus and preventing further damage to the immune system. Don't hesitate to get tested as soon as possible if you think you may have been exposed to HIV. And also remember, practice safe sex and other necessary precautions to protect yourself and others. In conclusion, HIV is a serious public health crisis that affects millions of people worldwide. It is important to be aware of the signs of HIV in men and to know how to protect yourself. If you experience any of these symptoms discussed in this article, be sure you talk to your healthcare provider and get tested as soon as possible. Because with early detection and appropriate treatment, people living with HIV can live healthy and have a fulfilling lives. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Stay safe and protect yourself. Bye for now.